Hey peeps, what's up? Are you trying to select a song in Fortnite only to find no songs are showing up for you? No need to worry. In this quick video, I'll show you how you can fix the song selection error so you can get back to rocking it out on Fortnite. So let's get going. First, open up Fortnite on your computer. Then click on your profile icon. Next, click on the settings icon from here. Then click on settings from this menu. Once you're in the settings, switch to the game tab. Here you'll find the matchmaking region. What you need to do is hover over it. Then click on the arrow button to change the region server. Just select any server other than the server you were playing on before. Then click on apply. Now wait for a few seconds, then change back to the server you were playing before. And you should find the tunes show up properly. So that's about it, peeps. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. And if you want more Fortnite tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching.